to the Prince Magnum channel, where hot rodding and romance still coexist. I'm your host, Prince Magnum. Welcome to Guilty Pleasures Cooking. In today's episode of Guilty Pleasures Cooking, we're going to continue on with another diner classic, chili cheese tater tots. Can't beat it, right? So for this particular episode, for those of you who want to follow along, grab your favorite shredded cheese, grab some frozen tater tots, get ready to do some deep frying, make sure you got a drain rig, and of course, make sure you got some chili on hand. Brand completely up to you, and of course, if you decide that you want to use homemade chili, hey, got to tip my hat, even though I'm not wearing one, I got to tip my hat to the chef. All right? So, from here, we're just going to get on with it. We're just going to do kind of an ASMR sort of thing, but I think y'all will be able to follow along pretty easily. Now that is what I call a diner classic. There you go. Chili cheese tater tots. Definitely easy to make. Something I recommend for, one of those nights that you just want something simple, easy to do. That's amazing. So easy. Could have probably done it blindfolded. But that brings us to a good stopping point for the evening. Be sure to check out the Patreon and be sure to check out the Teespring store. But beyond that scope, get out there and work on a project. I don't care what it is. Just do something with yourselves. Remember, idle hands and a creative mind go together like oil and water. If you have a sweetheart, sweep them off their feet. Do something special for them today. As always, for all of you out there, who no one out there has told you that they love you today, Prince Magnum does. God bless you, and have a happy 24. Thank you.